Hello and welcome to Amia Studios. Today, an interesting development has happened in Ghana, and I want to share it with you. It regards Daddy Lumba, the late Daddy Lumba, a music legend, and of course, he's still trending. He is still in the news. He's still the talk of the town. But before I delve into the subject matter of the day, I just want to please implore you to subscribe to my channel, like and share the videos, and also drop your comments so that we can get interactive. Thank you for doing so. Last year in July, Daddy Lumba passed away. After his demise, there was a very peaceful one-week celebration for him, which actually we saw the two wives of Daddy Lumba coming together to do this for him, in memory of him. So we saw Madam Akosua Serwaa at the one-week celebration. We also saw Priscilla Ofori, who is popularly or affectionately called Odobroni, also at the one-week celebration. After the one-week celebration, we have seen what has become almost like a mess. In fact, it is a mess. Okay, bruhaha upon bruhaha, halabalu, and near kefafo. And there are teams now, Dobroni. For Dobroni, and then for Madam Akosua Serwaa team, legal wives versus team responsible wives. Daddy Lumba's funeral was held in December last year. He was buried. He was laid to rest, and we all thought that everything would have died out. But obviously, some people were not happy. Some people did not agree. Some people said that they wouldn't join the funeral and that they are going to organize their own in March this year. And we have been told that the funeral is supposed to come off this Saturday, which is 28th of March, and then 29th of March as well. So regarding this funeral, this second funeral, Abusuapanin Tupac, who happens to be the head of the family, took the matter to court and sought an injunction, and the case was adjourned to today, 25th March. So we were all looking forward to the hearing and the ruling by the judge, and in fact, the ruling has come out and the case has been adjourned to 23rd April. But this is the implication of the adjournment by the court today. So the question is, will there be a celebration of life on Saturday or not? Can they hold the celebration of life? And the answer is no. After the judgment, we all have heard Papa Shee, who happens to be in the camp of Team Legal Wives, actually one man supporter for Madam Akosua Serwaa, saying that they are going to celebrate Madam Akosua Serwaa on Saturday. So now it's no longer Daddy Lumba that they are celebrating, but then they are going to celebrate Madam Akosua Serwaa. So the question still holds: can they do a celebration for anybody at all on Saturday? Regarding this court adjournment that has come, or the judgment that has been delivered today, can they hold any kind of celebration on Saturday? The answer is no, because if they do that, it is contempt of court until the matter is decided by the court, and the court whether upholds the application by the Abusuapanin Tupac to actually injunct this celebration of life or not. Until the matter is really determined on 23rd April, there cannot be any celebration of life whatsoever. You cannot celebrate Madam Akosua Serwaa. You cannot celebrate Papa Shee. You cannot celebrate nobody regarding this particular issue. You cannot celebrate Daddy Lumba regarding this particular issue, because the court has determined that the case will now be fully, actually dealt with on 23rd April. Now, this is the implied admission from what has happened. This is what it means. It means that today the court has upheld the application by Abusuapanin Tupac for an interlocutory injunction on the matter, or on the celebration of life. So the court has upheld the application today. So there cannot be any celebration of life on Saturday. You cannot celebrate Madam Akosua Serwaa. You cannot celebrate Daddy Lumba. You cannot celebrate Papa Shee. You cannot celebrate anybody at all. Anybody that attempts any kind of celebration at the Independence Square regarding this particular matter is in contempt of court. That is it. Nobody, no Team Legal Wife member can celebrate Daddy Lumba or Madam Akosua Serwaa at the venue. And the venue organizers cannot also put up anything there until the court decides on 23rd April what is supposed to be done, or whether to go ahead with the celebration or not. No celebration can come off on Saturday. No celebration can come off on Sunday. So, Papa Shee is saying that they are going to celebrate Madam Akosua Serwaa. It's their choice. They can decide to celebrate Madam Akosua Serwaa, but they can only do it maybe on the internet, or maybe they can go home and celebrate Madam Akosua Serwaa. But going large scale like that at the Independence Square, where everybody is supposed, or most people are supposed to attend the event, that cannot happen. It cannot come off. So that is the court ruling today. No celebration of life on Saturday and Sunday. There is no celebration of life. Anything called celebration of life of Lumba or Madam Akosua Serwaa or whoever it is, it cannot come off. It cannot happen. So, Papa Shee should not play the mind games and try to deceive the people or the public. And Papa Shee should not also attempt that, he can be smart and, outsmart the court. Papa Shee cannot outsmart the judge. The judge has made her decision today that she's going to look into, certain necessary things, relevant things, before she can arrive at a conclusion regarding this particular issue. So until that is done, and until 23rd April has come, and the judge has made her decision whether the celebration of life should come off or not, there cannot be any celebration of life on Saturday and Sunday. No Madam Akosua Serwaa celebration of life, and no Daddy Lumba celebration of life. So whoever dares to do this is in contempt of court. And contempt of court is punishable by law. You can be fined, you can be jailed, and you can be fined and jailed at the same time. So do so at your own risk. Do so at your own, at the detriment of your own peace. Do so. But the issue is nobody can celebrate anybody on Saturday. And, we need to make that clarification. We need to give that education to the public. You cannot celebrate anybody on Saturday. So don't have these wild ideas that you're going to celebrate Madam Akosua Serwaa on Saturday at the Independence Square and think that you're going to outsmart the court. No, you cannot do that. So if you want to be found in contempt of court, which of course the lawyers for Abusuapanin Tupac can take action regarding anybody that goes to the Independence Square to celebrate whoever that the person wants to celebrate. You can't even celebrate a goat there. No, the celebration of life cannot come off. Whether you are celebrating the life of a goat, the life of a human being, the life of, it cannot come off. So if you do so, the lawyers of Abusuapanin Tupac can proceed to court and bring the court's attention to what you have done. And indeed, you'll be cited for contempt of court. And if you want to find yourself in this kind of trouble, go for it. And we will continue to monitor proceedings. Since it is going to be on 23rd April, that the main, I hope that the judge doesn't adjourn the case again. But whatever be the case, 23rd April, we are going to have the case brought back to court, and we will all monitor what happens in court. But for now, this is what is the information that I want to give to you, that there will be no celebration of life on Saturday and Sunday. Nobody can celebrate nobody. Simple. All right. Thank you very much for joining me here, and I am very much grateful for your time that you've spent with me here. Please subscribe to this channel and like and share the videos. God bless you. My name is Amiel.